Moms, do you feel like things just kind of pile up all at once, right? You want to do renovations in your house, or you want a new vehicle, or you need a new vehicle because your vehicle crapped out, or you have to do a bunch of work to your vehicle, or something in your house goes and like a big expense that you weren't expecting, right? And then you have your normal day-to-day expenses like your groceries, your diapers if your kids are still in diapers, just buying fruit alone, right? Everything is so expensive these days and you just feel like you're drowning, but yet you don't want to look at your bank account because you know that there's nothing in there either. The Legacy Builder program is something that can help you. It is a program that allows you to work from home. You need Wi-Fi, you need a phone or a laptop or an iPad. You can work around your schedule wherever you are at, whether you are at home or camping or on the beach, in the car, right? This is something that works for you. It is something that allows you to make an income from home. You can make $900, $600, $300, or $100. It's just the tip of the iceberg. You then can have different avenues of income through YouTube, through posting ads, all different ways to make an income while doing the things you love and being with the people that you love. If this is something that interests you, comment yes and let's chat.